You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 8. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Add 3x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 10 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -2. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 8.